Welcome to the final part of our 5-part series on market psychology cycles. We've covered the ups and downs of the market, and today we're wrapping up with the final stages and how to profit from understanding this cycle. Hey there, I'm Eva, and we've now reached the darkest stages of the market: capitulation and depression. These are the moments when even the most resilient traders give up. Imagine that after a long struggle and attempts to stay afloat, people decide that's it. It's better to save something than lose everything. At this moment, they sell assets, even with huge losses, just to save at least the remnants of their funds. This is capitulation, when everyone already understands that it's time to get out before it gets even worse. Then comes the anger stage. And this is perhaps the most emotional part. How could I be so blind? Why didn't I sell earlier? Such thoughts start spinning in the head. Traders are angry at themselves for believing in continued growth, for the mistakes that cost them big money. And then comes depression. It seems that there's no way out and all efforts were in vain. The market seems hopeless and each new day brings only disappointment. People stop believing in the market, in their skills, and even in the possibility of ever earning again. But here's what's important to remember: the market is a cycle, and every decline sooner or later is replaced by an upturn. Yes, now it seems that there's no way out, but after the darkest night, dawn always comes. And just when it seems that everything is hopeless, the first signs of new hope appear. So how can we use the knowledge of these stages to not only survive the emotional swings of the market, but also profit from them? It's simple. When you understand what stage you're currently in, you can make more informed decisions. It's like having a map on a roller coaster. You know when there will be a sharp descent and when you should hold on tighter. For example, if you notice that the market has entered the euphoria stage, everyone around is sure that growth will be endless and prices are skyrocketing. This is a signal to think about selling. Yes, exactly at the moment when everyone thinks you can still wait and earn more, it's worth thinking about locking in your profit. Or, for example, if you see that the market is already in capitulation and prices are falling like a stone in water, this could be a good opportunity to buy. But it's important to remember, don't rush to invest everything at once. It's better to wait for the first signs of stabilization. Remember, knowledge of market psychology is like your night vision goggles on a dark track. You see further than others and know when to turn. So friends, knowledge of the 14 stages of market psychology cycles helps not only understand what's happening in the market, but also profit from it. When you can recognize the emotions of the crowd and your own, you're a step ahead of most traders. And remember, it's not about what happens in the market, but how you react to it. Want to learn even more tricks and secrets about how to earn on cryptocurrency without investment? Subscribe to our channel, like the video and hit the bell icon so you don't miss new episodes. And what stage do you think the market is in now? Write in the comments, it will be interesting to discuss. Thank you for joining us for this series. This is Eva from MeemFi, signing off.